Hi, today I'm for the DOOGEE V Max and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings application, then tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should use this switcher. Here we'll see all of the available networks. Just for example, let's select one from these networks. Here we should enter the password. Just to show this password, click here to this checkbox. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And if you wanna launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.